Hello, we're learning a new note today, so we're going to take just a moment to review the notes we've learned so far. First, we learned about quarter notes. A quarter note has a head and a stem, and it's all colored in. And a quarter note gets, that's right, one beat. And next we learned about half notes. Half notes have a head and a stem, and they're not colored in. And half notes get, that's right, two beats. They're a little longer than quarter notes. And today we're learning about whole notes. Whole notes have a head and no stem, and they're not colored in. And whole notes are our biggest note of all. They get 4 beats. Let's dive in. Let's get to know whole notes. Please say whole note in a forte voice. Whole note. Now say whole note in a piano voice. Whole note in a high voice. Whole note. Whole note in a low voice. Whole note. Very good. We're off and running. Next up, we're going to count whole notes. First, we're going to count our whole notes forte, and then we're going to count them piano. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. When we count and play whole notes on the piano, it really gives the piano an opportunity to sing for 4 whole beats like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now it's time to draw whole notes. They've given us 3 train cars down here, each for its own whole note. Now, when a computer draws a whole note, it does a lot of shading. You know, it looks pretty fancy like this. But when a person draws a whole note, it's just a sideways oval. Do that 2 more times. They're not perfect, are they? It would be very hard to draw a perfect sideways oval. And now underneath each one, to remind ourselves it has 4 beats, we're going to draw 4 sticks or 4 slashes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ends up kind of looking like like an octopus with only 4 legs or something similar. There we go. There's the finished result for our writing. Now we're going to take a look at the train rhythms page, and there's a little bit of writing to do here and then just some playing. So there's a question, which hand plays? We have that question for each train. Let's look at the clues. I noticed that for this train, there's a treble clef at the start. And I notice all the stems, all the notes that have stems, right? All the stems are up stems. And so we're going to come in and write ra, ha, for that particular train. Let's look at the clues for this train. We have a bass clef, and we have a monster bus driver, we know who has a pretty low voice, and then the notes that have stems, the stems are going down, they're low. That means it's our low hand, our left hand, our la, ha. For the train rhythms page, we're going to use a 3-1 donut. Here's my 3, here's my 1, here's my donut. We're going to use that donut to play each one of these train rhythms on a C, then on a D, then on an E. We're going to count aloud as we go. Come along and play with me, then try it all on your own. I'm going to do the first one on C. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2. Now, if you're doing this with the app, they're going to immediately switch to left hand, and they're going to keep going from there. And honestly, it's really fun. I really enjoy that one. But we are doing this separate from the app. So let's go ahead and make a 3-1 donut again. We're going to do the right hand train again, this time on D. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2. Now we'll head to E, same train, car. Here we go. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2. Now let's switch over to our left hand. I'm going to let my left hand play down low. I think it's very comfortable there. Here we go. Now we're doing the lower train car, the monster bus driver train car, with La Ha starting on C. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 1, 1. 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now move your hand to D. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Same train. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Bass clef train. One more time on E. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2,